guys, it's me Bossy and welcome back to my channel. I am here with another video, and today's video is going to be on some new hair that I recently purchased from a company that I've heard quite about here on YouTube. Now I thought it was a part of AliExpress, but I came to find out that it is not. And I want to first say, excuse me you guys if you hear my little baby in the background. To go ahead on this good Saturday, it's a nice day outside, to record a video and show you guys some new hair that I bought from the company of DYHAIR777. I believe I said it right. And the hair that I went ahead and purchased off of their website is the Indian loose wave hair. And the first thing that caught my eye about this company on reviews that I saw here on YouTube was the packaging. I am a sucker for packaging, and when I saw this hair and the bag, of course, I was like, I'm gonna get it. It's affordable. So this is what the bag looks like here. It says DYHAIR777, and it has their website of www.DYHAIR777.com, and it comes with this cute bag that you can restore the hair in. Now the hair that I bought, like I mentioned, was the Indian loose wave hair, and I do believe I got 3 bundles in a closure. I got the inches 18, 20, 22, and my closure I believe is a 16-inch closure. So beside the packaging, first things first, their card is very fancy. It shows all 5 social media platforms you can find them on. They have Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And they basically tell you how to care for the hair on the other side. So they tell you to basically wash your extensions 2 to 3 times a week. Make sure you use a moisturizing shampoo, deep condition after washing. Make sure to detangle and everything like that with a wide tooth comb, and not to use too much heat on the hair, which is a given if you don't want it. I'm gonna also let you know that they put in a thing of lashes, which I thought was really cute. Just basically initial first look of the hair. Now I will be taking these braids out tomorrow actually, so I will be in the process of making a new unit with this hair. So each bundle comes in a plastic bag like this. Thing about the hair, it comes with this cute little tag that says DYHAIR standard grade virgin hair, and this is where it shows the inch, and this is 18 inches. And this is what the Indian loose wave looks like. So first off, the hair just has a normal hair smell, and it actually is pretty soft for this bundle. And this is the wave pattern. So I'm gonna make sure I co-wash this before I color it. It's a little kind of like poofy at the end, but all in all it looks full. The ends aren't dry, but this is the 18-inch, so I think this is really pretty. A nice amount of weft, as you can see here. The hair is more of a number 2. It's more of a lighter brown color, but it's really still really pretty. So this is my 18-inch. This is the 20-inch, and that's about how much hair you get, which is normal. You're gonna always get more hair with shorter inches, but this is what it looks like. Still kind of puffy, crinkled at the end, but it is still, I want to say, the same amount of thickness, I'm sorry, from the root to the end. So that's what that looks like. I love the pattern of this hair. Still another number 2, I want to say. Now I want to say I did ask for darker bundles, but hey, sometimes you can't get that. But I failed to mention, on the back of these tags here on each bundle, it does have like the telephone number for DYHAIR, their email address, and their website. So I thought that was really neat. But now on to the bundle. This is the 22-inch, you guys. The longest hair I've ever had was 20 inches, so I was excited about getting this 22-inch. Now this bundle, because of course it is a lot thinner, because the longer the hair, the thinner the wefts, or the shorter the wefts will be. So the ends aren't as bushy. So this is the 22-inch. It is still light brown or a brown in color, so I want to say a number 2. So this is what that looks like. Again, very soft, still has the same wave pattern. Lastly, you guys, I'm going to show you this beautiful closure. And this closure, oh, I'm sorry, it's actually a 14-inch, so I apologize about that. But this is the closure. It comes in this net, and this is also the natural, well, this is actually the natural wave, so it doesn't say loose, but it says natural wave. So this is what was with the bundle, because I got a bundle set. And this is the closure. Look at that. Look at those curls. Like, this closure is so pretty, and this closure is softer than the hair, which is amazing. It has the lace here that you would cut, and it also does slightly have some baby hairs, which the baby hairs are somewhat long, if I can show you guys those. So those are the baby hairs. And then, of course, another thing that I loved about this closure, it is free parting, so I can part this closure anywhere that I like. I don't just have to have a middle part. I could do a side part. I can do anything like that. And the knots are not bleached, so you can either bleach the knots or use concealer, which I do use the concealer, and I also pluck my parting as well. But it does have this reinforced edge around that you can sew through, that way you do not tear your lace. And I love getting closures like that, because I think it, you know, makes the closure last a lot longer, and you know, it has longevity of the closure. So this is my closure. That closure is bomb. Now for the 3 bundles in 18, 20, and 22, and this 14-inch closure, this hair came up to a total of $278. Now for 3 bundles and a closure and the lengths that I got, I think that was more than reasonably priced. And you guys, the shipping was super fast. I ordered this hair on a Saturday morning. I got my hair on a Tuesday, but I didn't actually physically get it until that Wednesday, because I missed DHL, and you know, you have to sign for DHL. Unfortunately, if no one's home, they will not leave your package. So that's something that you need to keep in mind when you're ordering hair from like companies like AliExpress or even DYHAIR777. But yeah, you guys, this hair is really, really affordable. It seems like it's really nice hair, but all hair seems like that when you first get it, as always. So I'm going to make sure to keep you guys updated. If you guys would like to see me recording making this wig, leave it in the comments below. I'll only record it if at least 1 or 2 people ask. I'm not going to record it if you guys don't want to see it, because that's a waste of my time and a waste of your time. But if you do want to see me making my wig, just make sure to comment below. And you guys, I will make sure to come to you when I first install it. Be sure to leave the links to their Instagram and also to their website below in the description box. And you guys, yeah, if you like this video, make sure to comment, like, and of course you guys subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.